peace. Peace is for everybody. Everybody deserves peace in this world.
For me, peace is happiness. Peace is to live in harmony without the fear of conflict. Peace is to love in harmony without the fear of conflict. And more importantly, peace isn't some unachievable construct. Peace can be achieved.
Peace at school is important because when everything is peaceful at school, you can focus on your work more and stay out of a lot of drama.
Peace is a vital part of any well-functioning society. We should strive to maintain it for the success of our school and for the better of our education, our futures, and our lives.
Peace for the world is like food for life. We all need it.
Peace leads to better days.
And feels like a weight lifted off your shoulders.
Peace is needed everywhere so we can grow as human beings.
Understanding that there will be no absence of conflicts, but solving through the conflicts is what peace is all about.
With peace, we can bring a secure future for ourselves and our world as a whole.
Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell when you leave so you'll be notified when we drop another video.